So we're gonna have two teams. One team's gonna be on this side, one team's gonna be on this side. The cones are dividing you, okay? So you can't go on each other's side. You're gonna try and get all the toys or Dino Skin balls off of your side because you don't want them in your room. You want your room clean.
Hey everyone, it's Chris from FlagHouse, and this week I'm here with Laura Hastings to look at some great Dino Skin games.
These Dino Skin balls are awesome. They can be used for a ton of different games. They're lightweight, they're soft, easy to use, and lots of fun. All
right, so Laura's gonna have some awesome games coming up for us. And hey, if you like games like this, then you need to subscribe to our channel. We have brand new videos every single Wednesday. Coming up next, some awesome Dino Skin games on the FlagHouse Activity Channel.
All right, on today's episode, we're gonna play with some Dino Skin balls. So we're gonna play some fun games, working on catching, throwing. It's gonna be great. Our first game is called Oscar the Trash Can. Have you guys ever seen Sesame Street?
Yeah.
So you know he lives in a trash can?
Yeah.
So our mats in the middle are gonna be our trash can. We're gonna have a couple friends inside who are gonna be trying to toss the balls out of the trash can, and everybody else on the outside, you're gonna be tossing them in, okay? So you can throw underhand or overhand. You're definitely not whipping the balls down because there are people in there, okay? 3, 2, 1, let's go! All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, freeze! Everybody ready? Okay, I'm gonna change up the rules though. You ready for this? One ball can be thrown at a time. Wow, they're good. 3, 2, 1, stop, stop. All right, our next game with our Dino Skin balls is called Toss and Take. So what we're gonna do is get into 6 groups, so groups of 2 and 1 group of 3. Can you do that? Okay, so when we start the game, the first person from each group is going to go choose a hoop to stand in. Okay, you can choose any one you want. Okay, but remember the game is called Toss and Take, so we're practicing our throwing and catching skills. So you're going to find a hoop that you choose. You're going to look to your partner, you're going to throw the ball to your partner's going to catch it. If they catch it, then you get to take a noodle bit from that hoop. And then you're gonna return. Then your partner, it's their turn to go find a hoop. Miles, come choose a hoop right here, right here. Nope, come in the hoop, come stand in the hoop and throw it to him. Nice, pick up a noodle bit, take it with you. Good. You're gonna grab noodle bits first. If the noodle bits are gone from that hoop, you can still toss from that hoop. This time you can take the hula hoop with you, and that's an extra 5 points. If the noodle bits are still in there, you cannot take the hoop, you can't shoot for the hoop. Only if the noodle bits are gone. Girls, 5 points there. Woo! Toss it up. Nice, Miles. Whoa. Come on, Samika. Nice. All right, count up your points. All right, our last game today, played with our Dino Skin balls, is called Clean Your Room. So we're gonna have 2 teams. One team's gonna be on this side, one team's gonna be on this side. The cones are dividing you, okay, so you can't go on each other's side. You're gonna try and get all the toys or Dino Skin balls off of your side because you don't want them in your room. You want your room clean, okay? So you're just gonna throw them back and forth. You're not throwing them at anybody. You're throwing them to the other side. So you can roll them, you can underhand throw them, okay? No kicking with your feet. You gotta pick it up one ball at a time. Clean up that room. On the ground. Freeze! Freeze! Thank you. Stop. Good job. All right, how many on your side? All right, so those were some fun games using our Dino Skin balls. All right, practicing catching, throwing, target games. Have fun.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a like, share, or comment to let us know how we're doing. Now go ahead and click over here to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. We have a new video every Wednesday. Click over here to see more of our videos, or down here to get great downloadable activity guides. See you next time on the FlagHouse Activity Channel.